What's up, Ray fans? Today I'm here with.
I'm Landon from Late Model Restoration. Emmett, thanks for having me on your channel.
So, what do you do on your channel?
So appreciate you asking. Our channel kind of consists of a lot of different things. We do how-to videos. We do dyno videos. We do kind of like some shop talk videos of just the guys working in the shop, and really kind of anything that we see as opportunity and value to give to our customers. That's what we're covering. And that's what we're shooting.
So, what car do you have?
I personally own a 2000 Ford Lightning Silver. I bought it when I was 19 years old, so at the time of this video, when y'all are watching it, I've had it about 16 years. And then my wife, she has a 2000 GT and a supercharged California Special. So happy wife, happy life. She has cooler stuff than I do.
So what is your dream car?
Dream car? Well, yeah, keep this short and sweet, Emmett. When I was 8 years old, I went into dealership there back home in Texas with my mom to get her oil changed, and I think her Ford Explorer at the time, I don't know what it was, can't remember, but there was a red 99 Lightning on the showroom floor, and ever since I saw that, I've always wanted a Ford Lightning. So I guess I could say I've owned my dream truck. But I guess now, if I was to go out and pursue something, shoot, that's a tough one. There's a lot of good cars out there, but I don't know. I've always been kind of partial to the GT350s. I just like the raw attitude of them. The naturally aspirated high revving engine. So maybe one day I can get one of those in the stable too.
So what got you into cars?
Okay, we got to go way back, Emmett. My goodness, you're testing my memory here. My dad used to race dirt track back home. Of course, I don't remember it because he got out, or he quit doing it whenever he had me. Kids, gosh dang it. But I grew up in a NASCAR family. The race was on every Sunday, so that's kind of what got me into cars, and then kind of what got me into Mustangs and Ford. I feel like growing up with all the Hot Wheels and stuff I kind of had more Mustangs than I had anything else. So that's kind of where I fell in love with the Mustang and Ford stuff.
So, what's the fastest at the drag strip you've gone in any of your cars?
Maybe 131 trap, supercharged Mustang 2018. So somewhere around there. Don't quote me on that, but that's about where it's at.
So what's your favorite car that you have?
My Lightning, hands down, my Lightning. I love the side exit exhaust. Love the supercharger whine when you put the pedal to the metal. They're fun trucks.
So do you have any future plans for your Lightning?
I do. Hopefully one day, if it all can come to fruition, I'd like to build an engine, do some heads, cams, and then a 2.3 Whipple, and maybe chase around 700 horsepower, something like that. I think that'd be a lot of fun.
Well, thank you for your time.
Emmett, thank you, man. Appreciate it. Y'all have fun. Like, subscribe, turn on notifications. We got another YouTuber here up and coming here in the making. We'll see y'all later.
Peace.